Hey everyone, the Huawei Watch GT5 is set to launch on September the 19th, 2024, bringing some exciting updates, while maintaining the core design and features that users appreciated in its predecessor, the Huawei Watch GT4. Based on recent leaks, it appears that Huawei is focusing on refining its health tracking capabilities, introducing advanced software enhancements, and keeping the hardware largely unchanged from last year's model. For those expecting a drastic redesign, the Watch GT5 closely follows the blueprint of the Watch GT4. It comes in two sizes, 41 and 46 mm, which are similar to the previous generation. The body features a stainless steel build with a metal bezel, offering durability and a premium feel. Both models retain a 5 ATM water resistance rating, making them suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. The 46 mm model retains a sportier look with its non-rotating bezel, catering to users who prefer an athletic aesthetic. AMOLED displays are again used in both models, with the 41 mm version boasting a 1.32-inch screen, while the 46 mm version has a 1.43-inch screen, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals. Where the Watch GT5 shines is in its new TrueSense health monitoring system. This software is expected to bring more accurate and faster health measurements, improving the precision of heart rate, SpO2, and body temperature monitoring. These enhancements reflect Huawei's commitment to leveraging software to maximize sensor capabilities. Additionally, the Health Glance feature promises to be a game-changer for users seeking quick insights into their well-being. It allows for comprehensive health checks in just 60 seconds, covering over 10 metrics, such as ECG, arterial stiffness, stress levels, and cardiovascular risks. For fitness enthusiasts, the smartwatch will support over 100 sports modes, including advanced navigation with GPS and GNSS integration, making it versatile for both casual users and athletes alike. Battery life has always been a highlight of Huawei's wearables, and the Watch GT5 seems to continue that trend. The 46 mm model offers up to 14 days of battery life, while the 41 mm version can last up to 7 days. These are impressive figures, especially considering the advanced health tracking features. The Huawei Watch GT4, which launched in October 2023, also offer compelling features, such as up to 3 weeks of battery life, customizable watch faces, and robust health tracking capabilities. The Watch GT4 had a strong foundation with a focus on affordability, long battery life, and basic health metrics. However, the Watch GT5 aims to build on this with more precise health monitoring and faster sensor readings, thanks to the TrueSense system. The new Health Glance feature and enhanced GPS and navigation features add value for those who prioritize fitness and health data. The Huawei Watch GT5 doesn't introduce a major design overhaul, but its improvements in health tracking and fitness monitoring should attract those seeking a more accurate and comprehensive smartwatch experience. The TrueSense system and Health Glance feature are compelling additions that make this watch a solid upgrade over the Watch GT4, especially for fitness enthusiasts or users who rely heavily on health data. With a price expected to start at €250, the Watch GT5 remains an affordable yet premium option in the smartwatch market. While the hardware may not see groundbreaking changes, the enhanced software package makes it a worthy successor for those who value advanced health and fitness tracking. Whether you're an existing Watch GT4 user looking to upgrade or a new buyer, the Huawei Watch GT5 is poised to deliver a well-rounded smartwatch experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. Have a nice day and see you soon.